Miss, tell me what is going on with the circle, with money and all those things.
I find it is a crooked thing because she tell me it's a God-blessed thing. But if it's a God-blessed thing, I have 7 months in it now. First, she told me that I have to come in with it with a friend what I have. The friend come in it, when he to get the draw, she said the circle, she can't get in nobody and blah blah. Then I get 2 friends, the mother in it with 1,000, the daughter in it with 1,000, and nobody can get draw. She said after me get, them will get. All know me can get, for them get. Last night I go down by her, asking her about the money. She come in to tell me she sick with her heart. She sick with her heart, me sick with more than my heart, coming at the far for going to care right now. Because I say me really want my money. Because me have things to do with my money. Me hope people and me want to pay them. And me for go give her 500 guilders. Hard 500 guilders just so? No. Neighborhood, people, on a whole tight pound of money because unfair things.
This is how much money you putting in monthly, or you just when you start you just put it a big amount of money and just wait for it?
No. When it starts, she said I have to come in there with 590. I tell her I didn't have the 90, but I have the 5. She said okay, she will put it in it for me, the 90, and when I get the draw, she will take it out. Okay, so is the draw I waiting pan? She tell me this month end. When I go down by her last night, she told me say, no, me can't get it. Me have to wait till next month because they say it have problem with the circle and blah blah.
So now you call her, you went by her house, you went by her job site to check out the money?
No, I don't go by her job site. I go by her house last night, and when I go by her house last night, I asked her grandson to call her. She said I must come inside. When I go inside, she tell me that me here say you walk and I talk a lot of things about me and the circle and money thing. Me said to her, said, and you hear that? She said yes, she hear that. Me say yes, because I said me want my money, and she a go on. I sit down in her living room on her couch. And I don't say a thing. I listen to her until she called the head 1 feet. And the head 1 feet can talk to her on the telephone because she turn up the phone. And when she turn up the phone now, the head 1 said to her, say, talk to her and see where she can wait until mountain. I just take up my handbag and I step out through the door. I not even tell her I gone.
Last but not least, you have a message for the rest of people on the island that may be thinking of joining the circle or like they call it flor, or any type of those games?
Well, me not like to tell everybody though, wanna walk far from the circle because it's an unfair game. When they go no back the money, wanna put in it, them have who them friend and who them have to take it over and them get the lump sum and you lose.